BW'ENSE Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta nigara igikaro ase abagwatani b'ekiama gia Jubilee baumirane na gukora Amaonchorerio mugusinigo anyoreri bagase Daktari Fred MATIANG'I anontwa KOIRURUKIA EBENDERA y'ikiama gia Jubilee ase Oborai BW'ENSE nabo igo kobo mukonyi b'umurai gw'ikiama ekio boigo mubunge unakuru West Samuel Arama nigachoro kobo muwipwa ase abagwatani abwo baborigwe korigia chikura eri kwenyorera obo bwi tumonyore umurikito Frida Kerubo na roboti oruo asobo imemono
Nechingaki ebyama bigendete kweroberia bosibwo bochorio bonene bu mwaka bw'ekirubere 2025 Litko lya lero ni gababwatani b'ekiama gia Jubilee batware gikaro ansi kiabisi kinene cyabo elyo kweroberia bw'ikiranu egikaro kyaragwa no murai BW'ENSE omukoro Uhuru Kenyatta.
Today the Jubilee party convened a NEC meeting at our headquarters here. The NEC meeting was chaired by our party leader, His Excellency Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, where we were able to deal with key issues of leadership, structure, and also the strategy that strategic direction that we would want to take as a party.
Nonya nabo ni Amaonchorerio aene kigwa anene asumo bunge onakuru West Samuel Arama achorwa koba omowip ase bunge nene nabo igasensemo ye Senator James Lomenen koba omowip.
And the whip of our National Assembly now, following the resolution by NEC, is Honorable Samuel Arama. Our whip for the Senate, again following the resolution, is Senator James Romenin.
Omuwasiri omukoro w'obulendi bw'eime Dr. Fred MATIANG'I nigo akirwekeranya KOIRURUKIA EBENDERA y'ekiama gia Jubilee asobochorio bonene bole bosio. Tingaki ekyo boigo Oborai bw'ekiama gia Jubilee nigo bwaitabiranire erekoba omukonyi bw'omurai bw'ekiama ekyo.
We as NEC also have appointed Dr. Fred Okengo MATIANG'I as our deputy party leader going forward, and alongside that we have also resolved that Dr. MATIANG'I represents us at the United Opposition, and on top of that we also received formally his application to be the presidential candidate or Jubilee presidential candidate, and the NEC approved, resolved that he now carries the flag of Jubilee Party as our presidential candidate, and even as he goes to the United Opposition, he goes there in that capacity, and also representing our party leader or deputizing our party leader, and actually being the face of our party going forward, given that our party leader is not always available.
Ababwatani b'ekiama gia Jubilee nigo baborio gosoa ebinyoro ime elyo korigia chikura aso kwenyorera obobui.
Ya mwisho ni kwamba tumekubaliana pia kama NEC that we now move out and revamp our party. Open branches, market and sell MATIANG'I as our presidential candidate, just like the other parties are doing their own, so that when they finally come to sit together, he'll also have done his groundwork. More activities as we move forward will be communicated, but we commence our activities immediately.
Nonya nabo nigo baenekia goterusia asobo mobwa azimio la umoja ikiagera abarai nigo basoeta bisi gwetera obomobo.
No, you know, we can't quit Azimio coalition, but we are also aware of the reality is that other formations are going on, but we cannot quit Azimio. Quitting Azimio means the members of parliament who are holding various positions within parliament relinquish. So there is a legal implication, and that's why we cannot be in a hurry kupiga kona na kukata mkato hapa na pale.
Kerubo Frida, Ensoko TV, Nairobi.